New 2026 Bentley Flying Spur Speed, interior and exterior walkaround. Welcome back to Smart Drive Hub, the place where your love for cars gets the spotlight every single day. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because we bring you the latest car walkarounds, detailed reviews, luxury interiors, futuristic tech, and everything happening in the automotive world. From supercars to SUVs and next-gen EVs, we cover it all in a clean, simple, and exciting way. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into another masterpiece that's about to take over the luxury sedan world. Today, we're taking a close look at the absolutely stunning 2026 Bentley Flying Spur Speed, one of the most powerful and luxurious sedans Bentley has ever created. This car blends ultra-premium craftsmanship with cutting-edge hybrid performance, and trust me, this walkaround is going to show you exactly why it stands out in the 2026 luxury segment. Starting with the exterior, the Flying Spur Speed immediately grabs attention with its aggressive yet elegant appearance. At the front, you get the signature Bentley Matrix grille, but in this Speed version, everything is finished in a darker, sportier tone. The large air intakes, the gloss black elements, and the sharpened bumper design all combine to give it a bold Grand Tourer look. The headlights follow Bentley's latest crystal-cut design, with deep detailing that looks like jewelry when the light hits it. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice just how long and commanding this sedan really is. Bentley keeps the body lines smooth and clean, but the Speed model adds a more dynamic character thanks to its massive 22-inch Speed alloy wheels. These wheels don't just look good, they fill the arches perfectly, giving the car a dominant road presence. The blacked-out window surrounds, side sills, and subtle Speed badging complete the sporty luxury theme. At the rear, the Flying Spur Speed keeps things sleek and muscular. You get dark-tinted oval exhaust tips, a sharp rear bumper design, and a discreet lip spoiler that adds to the performance identity without breaking Bentley's elegance. The tail lamps are crafted with that same crystal-inspired look you see in the headlights. Bentley's attention to detail truly shows. Now stepping inside, this is where things get even more impressive. The cabin of the 2026 Flying Spur Speed is a world of handcrafted luxury. Everything you touch has a premium feel, from the soft-touch leather to the polished wood veneers and high-gloss metal trims. The seats feature Bentley's signature diamond quilting, with exclusive stitching patterns and speed-specific embroidery. You'll also find Dinamica suede touches on the steering wheel, headliner, and some interior panels, giving the car a sporty yet refined atmosphere. The dashboard features Bentley's rotating display system, a beautiful blend of analog craftsmanship and digital tech. When rotated, it reveals either a full touchscreen, a set of classic analog gauges, or a clean veneer panel for a minimalist look. This is pure Bentley design, blending tradition with technology in a seamless way. Rear passengers get just as much attention. There's massive legroom, multi-zone climate control, powered sunshades, ventilated and massaging rear seats, and ambient lighting that creates a first-class lounge experience. Whether you're driving or being driven, this car delivers unmatched comfort. Now let's talk performance, because the Flying Spur Speed is not just about luxury, it's about power too. The 2026 model is powered by Bentley's ultra-performance hybrid system, combining a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with an electric motor. Together, they produce around 770 horsepower, launching this huge sedan from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.3 seconds. That's supercar territory for a full-size luxury sedan. The driving dynamics are equally advanced. You get all-wheel steering, active anti-roll control, adaptive air suspension, and an electronic limited-slip differential that keeps the car stable during high-speed cornering. Despite its size, the Flying Spur Speed handles with surprising agility, offering a smooth, quiet ride while still delivering thrilling acceleration when needed. Altogether, the 2026 Bentley Flying Spur Speed is the perfect blend of elegance, innovation, and raw performance. Whether you're admiring it from the outside, enjoying the luxury inside, or experiencing its hybrid power on the road, this sedan represents the peak of Bentley craftsmanship. If you enjoyed this walkaround, make sure to subscribe to Smart Drive Hub for more luxury car content, daily walkarounds, and the latest automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.